Okay. Out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches. Roll my slime, get in my lip.
Gang, 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 gang. LB gang, 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 gang. LB gang, gang, gang. So, LB gang, I attempt to do a vlog for y'all or whatever, but it didn't come out right. So, I was trying to do a vlog, but it didn't come out right. I'm probably like put the intro in probably right now. LB gang, 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 gang. LB gang, gang. LB gang, gang, gang. So, what is up, LB gang? I'm back with another video or whatever. This is gonna be my first vlog. Y'all know today Thursday. Y'all know what Thursday is, Thanksgiving, y'all. So, finna go to my aunt's house or whatever, have Thanksgiving. Finna get good eats, you know. Finna eat, y'all. I'm so happy, like, cause Thanksgiving, that's the day we do all the food. I'm gonna record all the food, see what all we got, and that's it. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit a little bit later because I do not got my shoes. They is at my grandma's house, so I gotta go get those. And I'm gonna show y'all my outfit or whatever. So please, if you're new, my name is Little Black. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn that bell for notifications every time I post. This is my very first vlog. Y'all know that. This is my first vlog I ever did, but it's gonna be lit. Okay. Anyway, turn that post notifications every time I post. Go follow me on my social media, my Instagram at Little Black, my Snapchat, well, my Instagram at Little Black 17, my Snapchat at Black 712. This really hurts your arm. Also, I want everybody to DM me their outfits on my Instagram. Everybody send me their outfits or on Snapchat. And I don't know when, but I'm going to do a rating my subscribers' outfits video. I don't know when yet, but we will see. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all later. Oh, hey, every day. Okay, bye, y'all. But yeah, that's the intro. So I was just doing like an intro thing, and then I recorded my food, what I had, because you know today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. So I attempted to do all that, but I didn't finish it. I don't know why, but and it was like probably like 1 minute. But so I guess I'm just gonna talk to y'all, and we're gonna have a Thanksgiving mukbang. I got some chicken, some macaroni, some cake. I already ate like half of the chicken. Okay, anyway, y'all like see a picture of my food. This is not my food.
Well, you ain't got no food.
No, I want that I eat.
Okay.
I actually got a to-go plate, so I don't say nothing. But anyway, I ain't really. I mean, I thought about what I did. I ain't really do nothing. Just with my cousins. We're doing like watching like different stuff and all that. This is just I did have fun. But anyway, like okay, so I'm talking about what topic should I talk about? Yeah, ain't that really? I might do a reaction video for y'all tonight. That little, if y'all know what's going on, but Tory Lanez threw a shade at Joyner Lucas. Well, to all different rappers, Joyner Lucas, Kendrick, not ATM. That's that boy. So J. Cole threw shots at them talking about something. He lyrical than all them, and he got the best for the which he was lying because first of all I feel like at lyrics nobody better than what's the name? Joyner Lucas, because Joyner Lucas is fire, y'all. Y'all understand? Oh, this is my chicken leg. Y'all understand? Joyner Lucas is just like the way he do his flow is different. Like he just but anyway, I might do a reaction video on both of those videos. But they dissed each other because they supposed to, because they made anyway, they made diss songs or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I think I'm not upset. I don't know, cause I didn't post no raw food. I don't know what. I'm posting the Thanksgiving mukbang. But anyway, I'm almost finished with this food too. Y'all, this is just Publix chicken. Publix got the freaking chicken. I had 3 pieces, but I ate the other 2. I ate the other 2 at home. Don't judge me. But anyway, gang, what else got hot? I don't know. I didn't even eat all the meat off this chicken. And to Michael, and Devin, and all y'all, and Jayla, and all y'all, better not got nothing to say while I'm eating this video. Cause I'm freaking hungry. And I left my soda. I got this Mountain Dew soda. It's new or whatever. But anyway, gang, I love y'all. Alright, if you're new, my name is Bell Back. Please like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notifications. Follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my little bit, my touch everything too. I'm gonna keep grinding for you guys. Put some yellow hours. And I think that's it, ain't it? Blue face, baby. Bust it open, Tatiana. Bust it open, Tatiana. I'm finna eat some of this red velvet cake. Should I be eating this with a fork? Cause at first I had warmed it up. I didn't mean to. Cause it was in here with like all my food. My food was cold, but oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. Everybody good. What should I talk about? Oh, everybody go watch my previous videos I did and my old videos I did. Can y'all believe today is Thanksgiving? Can y'all believe Christmas is almost here? My hair cute. And rest of them, I'll take up and get mine too. If you want no smoke, baby, please believe me. Stop me. Once you do that, he will never leave me. And the rest of y'all go out here and keep mine too. Oh, I haven't red velvet cake. I'm sorry. I haven't red velvet cakes have pecans in them. What? What? Leave me alone, Kyla.
I'm in the bathroom.
Okay, what you got out your phone? we do not look alike.
Why people say that? Put our faces together.
Maybe a little bit. Okay. Yeah. And I'm supposed to show y'all my outfit, y'all. But I'll put out in the pants. I used to be eating, but my outfit there, this Adidas shirt. With these Adidas pants and my red and white Adidas red and white Adidas pants. So I guess now I'm gonna end the video here. That was a little mukbang. All my food is. Oh no! All my food is on, as you can see. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell for notifications. Oh, don't forget. Oh, some up. Ah, I didn't get on my shirt though. Turn that bell for notifications every time I post. Anyway, LB gang. Oh, like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell. Follow me on social media. My Instagram at little my Instagram at little17. My Snapchat at little17. Everybody send me their I don't know when I'm gonna do this video, but I just want everybody to send me their best outfit that they think they was looking cute in or whatever. But send me y'all best outfits, and I'm gonna do rating my subscribers' outfits. So I love you guys. Bye, LB gang. Alright, bye, y'all.
Okay. Out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag, didn't wanna rent it. Too many fads, too many bitches. Roll my slime, get in my lip.